Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by checking your current quota and usage on Google. Google gives 15 GB of free storage across Gmail, Drive, and Photos. Open a browser and go to Storage. Google. To see the breakdown. Sort items by size to highlight large files first. Look specifically for files larger than 50 MB to free space quickly. Note the amount used in each product to guide your next cleanup steps. This first step prevents accidental deletion of important small files. Focus on Google Drive and third-party files to reclaim storage fast. Review Drive items and delete files larger than 50 MB that you no longer need. Check Shared with Me and remove copies that you do not own. After deleting, empty the drive trash to permanently remove files and reclaim space. If you need occasional access, download and archive files externally before deleting them. This keeps your drive lean and avoids unexpected space loss in future. Next, reduce storage from Gmail and Google Photos with focused steps. In Gmail, search for attachments larger than 10 MB and delete messages you no longer need. Also, remove emails older than 2 years when they lack ongoing value. For photos, compress or convert images before uploading to reduce size per photo. Remove duplicate or near-duplicate pictures to reclaim additional space quickly. Finally, empty Gmail and Photos trash to finalize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.